Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are enjoying good health. Today I am talking about the wastage of food. Do you know every day a lot of food is wasted in the whole world and many people die due to hunger every day. But do you know the total amount of food which grows across the whole world is sufficient for 12 billion people, and the world population is currently said to be about 7 billion and 800 million. This is an estimate of the people. People who are victims of hunger all around the world are 960 million. People who are victims of scarcity of food, or the people who are getting poor meals which are not sufficient for their health, are more than 1 billion. The total number of people who are victims of overall scarcity of food in the world is said to be around 2 billion. According to the researches, these 2 billion people include 410 million children as well. It is very sad. It is sad too that their number will increase up to 4 billion by 2030. On average, 45% of food is wasted across the whole world. The percentage of food wastage in some countries is from 55% to 60%. It is sad that the worth of the food which is wasted throughout the world, if we calculate the cost value of waste food, has reached almost more than 1000 billion. So much food is wasted and millions of people are suffering only due to scarcity of food. We should protect our dining mat or dining food and should safeguard it being wasted. And who knows that because of our saving, many hungry people would get food in their stomach. The government should ban food waste to prevent food wastage, and the whole world should work together to distribute food so that hunger can be eradicated. If you like my video, then subscribe, like, share. Thank you so much.